Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook ad account. Alright, so first thing first is I want you to go into your browser and type Meta Business Manager. Then I want you to go to Login and access Meta Business Suite and Business Manager. Click on it, and in the left hand side, I want you to go to All Tools. Then I want you to find the section where it says Advertise, so this one over here. And I want you to go to Ads Manager. So don't go to Ads, go to Ads Manager. I find it's the easiest way, at least for me. So click on it, and then I want you to go again in the left hand side and click on All Tools again. And I want you to find Business Settings. Now you may have it in the shortcuts over here, or if not, then just scroll down, go under Manage Business, and you will find the different sections, including Business Settings. So I want you to click on it, and now I want you to go to Accounts, and under Accounts I want you to click on Add Accounts. Now these are all accounts that we manage, and this is the reason why I blurred this out, because we're managing this account, so it's private information. But why I'm saying this is because you might not see anything over here, so your page might be a little different than mine. Regardless, what I want you to do is I want you to click on this blue button over here, Add, and you'll be prompted with 3 options. Add an ad account, request access to an ad account, and create a new ad account. So I want you to click on Create a New Ad Account. Now here is very, very important that, okay, you have to name your ad account, name it whatever you want, no one will see it except you and other people that would manage your ad account, so it's not really that important. Just name something, just give it a name that you will recognize. And then time zone and currency. Those are really, really important because usually you cannot change your time zone afterwards, and you cannot change your currency. So for example, if you're in US, or wherever you are, just make sure you're choosing the time zone, your local time zone basically. So it's easier for you to run the ads. Because as I said, in most cases, you're not able to change the time zone and the currency afterwards. So that's it, just give it a name, choose the time zone, choose the currency, the correct one, and then just press next. I'm not gonna do this now, but that's how you create a Facebook ad account. Now, please like the video if you found it helpful, comment something in the comment section down below, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Thank you.